A linear equation makes a straight line when graphed. It's often in the form of ax plus by equal to c, ax plus by plus c equals 0, where the a, b, and c are all constants, or in the form of y equals mx plus b, where the m and b are constants. One method for graphing a linear equation is to plot the x and y intercepts. The x-intercept is the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. To find that x-intercept, we'll set y equal to 0. So I have 2x minus 3 times 0 equals 6. So 2x minus anything times 0 is 0 equals 6. So 2x equals 6. I'll divide both sides by 2. I get x equals 3. So my ordered pair is x is 3, y is 0. So on the x-axis, I'll find x is 3, y is 0. To find the y-intercept, that is where the graph crosses the y-axis, that happens when x is 0. So I'll plug x is 0 into my equation. 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 6. So anything times 0 is 0. So negative 3y equals 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. I get y equals negative 2. My ordered pair is x is 0, y is negative 2. So there's where x is 0, go down to where y is negative 2. There's my point. You only need 2 points to draw a straight line. So there's my graph. If we look at this next equation, I want to graph it using the x and y intercepts. So I'll first find the x-intercept. Okay, so that's the point where the graph crosses the x-axis, and that happens when y equals 0. So I'll substitute 0 for y in my equation. So I have 6x equal to negative 9. Divide both sides by 6. X equal to negative 9 over 6. Well, all fractions need to be reduced. So 3 goes into both 9 and 6. 3 goes into 9 3 times and into 6 twice. So when x is negative 3/2, y is 0. Well, to graph that, I'm going to do it as a mixed number, rewrite it as a mixed number. So negative 3/2 is the same as negative 1.5. 0. So x is negative 1 and 1/2. That's about here, halfway between negative 1 and negative 2. Now to find the y-intercept, that happens when x is 0. That's when the graph will cross that y-axis. So I'll let x equal to 0. So 6 times 0 equals 3y minus 9. So 0 equals 3y minus 9. Solving for y, I'll add 9 to both sides. So 9 equals 3y. Dividing by 3, I get y equals 3. So my ordered pair is when x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. There's my other point. You only need 2 points to draw a straight line. There's my graph.